Hello today, this is Ruru1205 and I'm going to be talking to you today about VMware Server. My experience with downloading and running this program has been mixed because I was looking for a virtual machine, not to host a virtual machine. So let's get started. Well, I went onto YouTube and I looked for some of the tutorials on how to get a virtual machine, and it told me to go to VMware, type it into Google right here and hit it. It should be the first search result here, and I click that. And now it's took me to the site, and it's asking me, it's telling me a few knickknacks about it down here. You might want to read through some of this stuff down at the bottom to actually read what the virtual server is and what it does. And next step, you want to hit download. And then this screen will come up. Well, you hit a little information here, then it's going to be a bigger list of information that they want you to fill out. Well, after you fill that out, you should get to a page where they're going to tell you they're going to send you some in your email, the activation keys, which are going to be right here. They're going to pop up right here, and then you just type that in after you've installed it. VMware, right here, the server, you install that, you click that, save it, install it. They're going to ask for the license at the end of the installation when you go to install this, so well, it doesn't really matter if you close it out, but you want to copy, if you're using Windows or if you're using Linux operating system, probably Windows, so copy the Windows one and then paste that into the end of the installation. And now that we have it installed and everything, now that we have it installed, you should be seeing this on your desktop, and it's the only program that they gave you to use for this VMware server. And I was a little confused when I clicked it, because I'm still thinking here I'm going to give me a machine that I can just open on my computer, but instead it opens up a window browser, and the first thing it does is tells me that I have to choose a digital certification. I don't know what they're talking about, and I just keep on going. So then the next thing I get is this, and I clicked OK on. I clicked OK or cancel on this one. So click OK and cancel on that one. And here you want to click continue. I was a little confused on this one too. So I click continue, and then it brought me to this window. Now this window, this little message is up here, and then this is going to pop up right here. So this popped up, and I'm sitting here and I'm thinking I can't figure out, I didn't set a login name or password, so what do they want? And what they actually want is your computer's login name and your computer password. And I don't know, if you don't have one, just make one. You know, when you go to your computer, you go control panel, and username and accounts, account. So this right here, don't you know, when you see this when you first log in or log off, they don't want this name right here. I learned that the hard way. They want that password that you put in for that screen, and they want your username, which isn't there. It's actually, go to computer, go to the C drive, go to user folder, and I only have one user on this computer and the rest are guests, and they want this name right here. So you get that name and the password you use to log in onto your computer, and you type that in here. And after I found that out and I did that, I got to this screen. Now this isn't what I was looking for. I mean, it's a virtual machine. I think it's to host a virtual machine. Make your computer a virtual machine to host to wherever you want to go. As long as you have a browser, you can connect to the internet. You can connect to your machine virtually. This is what I wanted. I want to play around with Linux on my computer without having to get on the internet. But if this is what you're trying to do, that's how I did it. If you're looking for it, I'm still going to search for just a virtual machine, and off I go.